So you're painting with air stuff, and it
In
takes.
the room?
Yeah, this is a paint booth, but it's an oven as well, so you can force paint. You know.
So when you paint it though, are you in there with the hot air coming in, or do you leave?
Yeah. No. Well, no. Left-hand drive. But the engine bay I painted. The engine's fantastic. Wait till you see
Oh, is
this.
it here?
No, it's not.
Ugh.
It's at a friend's. But I'm going to take.
We're going to go there, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then a backrest.
Oh.
And I think I'm actually going to have them in a blue sort of a tartan colour.
Uh-huh.
It's called a Westphalia
Oh,
plant. They
cool.
look great.
And it's
No,
this is
the first guy, the original guy.
wow.
This is all right. It's
This
not
is
bad,
nice
but
now.
not perfect. But you know, it's not. But so I think this was the one that I was doing the last time you came.
Yeah.
This is one of mine. I made all that bonnet, Jesse,
Wow.
and the silver one. We didn't have a bonnet.
I love that colour.
That's
Yeah.
It's almost gunmetal, almost.
it is
Little
gunmetal,
light. Oh, it is, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little lighter, I think, isn't
I
it? But
can't
it's.
believe you made the whole thing.
Yeah.
This
the
looks
bonnet.
like you bought it.
That one. Well, I didn't make the louvers. They were welded in.
Oh, which is the shape.
I think. Oh, and the centre bulge. Didn't make that. We had that. That one. I didn't do the whole. Yeah, it's definitely my favourite.
I'm nervous.
Just don't break it. Simple. You used to ride a motorcycle.
I did used to ride a motorcycle.
Oh, you look cool on it.
Yeah.
Keep that fire extinguisher close.